Good day, everyone. This is Alan Odi speaking. Today, we're going to talk about the role of Internet things in the insurance sector, how we can integrate these technologies in a very powerful and synergetic way to create more value for customers and create more value for the insurance companies. So, a brief introduction about myself. I have more than 20 years of experience, mainly as an insurance regulator and a supervisor. My work extends between two major jurisdictions in Jordan and in GCC. Currently, I'm working on DBA, expected to finish very soon. I hold an MBA 2011. I have many insurance certificates and diplomas from high reputable institutes. My main interests are digital transformation, big data, also analytics, fintech, ESG. So what is the Internet of Things? Internet of Things is a network of physical devices related to sensors, etc. It can be installed in vehicles, it can be installed in appliances, it can be installed into house. There's the concept of smart houses now. So these embedded sensors, software, network of physical things that is linked to the internet mainly is called the Internet of Things. So you can have a fridge that is linked to the internet. It's called the smart fridge. It's part of the Internet of Things. Smart TV is part of the Internet of Things. A wearable, like a smartwatch, can be a part of the Internet of Things, etc. So the concept is that we have to establish a network that is partly of the internet and that uses what traditionally has been unusual devices to be linked to the internet. So, how does this affect the insurance sector or the insurance industry? The Internet of Things devices can generate a big amount of data in real time. This data can be assessed, can be utilized, can be used to gain deeper perspective into the clients or the users' behavior. By doing so, the insurance can tolerate their insurance offerings, their insurance products. More specifically, usage-based insurance. So, how you use and how often and how extent do you use the device, we can shape our offering as an insurer to match that. We can also start to create new products that was impossible to create without this data. Also, it helps to improve the processing of claims, and it can help also in the detection of fraud. Let us give some examples. In property and casualty insurance, we may have smart homes concept that is currently in use. There will be sensors in house related to fire, water leakage or water damage, burglary detection. Another example is the telematics devices in vehicles. The sensory devices that helps to monitor the behavior of the driver, locations of driving, how the speed of driving, and it can also help into assessing and help to lay out the vulnerability of the behavior of the driver. Thus, recommending behaviors that can help to prevent accidents. And then we have less claims. So when we reshape the offerings of based on usage-based insurance and using this Internet of Things, we can have reduced premiums for safer behavior. We have a faster claims processing because we know that the claim is true. Also, the claim is, we know that the claim happened, it's true, and we know that the actual damage sometimes of the claim or the level of damage of claim, the level of loss in the claim. So it is part of shaping the future into better or more fairer insurance products, insurance industry, which is a win-win situation for everyone. So the good clients or the less risky clients win the reduced premiums. The insurer can control fraud or can increase its control on fraud, limit the fraud. Also, it can have bigger or better understanding of the client's behavior, thus better underwriting experience. We have example in health and in life insurance. Another example, wearables. Wearables like smartwatches, for example, can help to monitor the activity of the person or the insured person. So you can get data about their sport behavior, if they work out, if they eat healthy, their sleeping patterns, how often do they drink water, all these aspects. And also we can connect medical devices with to promote or remotely with patient to understand their their body signals, like heart rate, like sugar levels, cholesterol levels, etc. So these products can incentivize the wellness program, and also it can help to personalize insurance product based on the health data. So a person with better health will get a lower rate, and it can also promote the early detection of health issues. So more interconnected we get, the more healthier we can get, or the more vigilant we can be regarding the health issues. What are the big challenges that we face when we are trying to integrate the Internet of Things regarding the Internet of Things regarding with the insurance products, or when we try to develop new insurance products? Data privacy and security concerns. So data privacy is key. You cannot collect data without consent. You cannot collect unnecessary data, and you have to have robust cybersecurity in your database. So you don't get hacked as an insurer, and the personal information of your clients will not be leaked somewhere. So these two, also health insurance is very key because it's very highly regulated. Health data especially. You need to be very aware of what happens in the world and in your country about legislations that have been enforced about regulatory aspects of health data. And also you need to have a framework to analyze it. So If you have a big pile of data and you don't know what to do with them, then the meaning of the data will be worthless. You need to also have powerful analysis engines and capable resources, human resources to analyze data. You need to integrate AI, artificial intelligence, into your framework in order to analyze the data and make meaning of it. And finally, there's the problem of the consumer literacy or the consumer awareness regarding these products. Consumers may be afraid of accepting such technologies or installing these technologies in the first place in their homes or in their cars or wearing them. They may be old-fashioned. They may come from older generations that cannot easily adapt with technology. However, there is a big role of different parties, including insurance companies, to raise the awareness of insurance and these products specifically, and these devices specifically, in order for the clients to accept them and to be adopted on higher or mass scale. We will go through success stories, two success stories mainly. There is a snapshot program, which is produced by Progressive Insurance. So Progressive Insurance use devices that is being integrated or installed in cars that monitor the driver's behavior. It can collect data regarding the mileage or how much does the driver, or how intense does the driver use the car, and about hard braking, about how much does he brake, and the hours of driving and the locations of driving, depends on the area where. So we can have insights, deep insights about the behavior of the driver, the user of the car, and these data that have been gathered will help Progressive to assess the risk more accurately. And it will help them to customize the rates based on the actual driving habits, thus incentivizing the safe drivers and not safe person, but giving a fairer rate to risky drivers. And overall, there is a greater good of promoting safer driving. So this is the social part of this. It's more fairer to clients, it's more fairer to insurers, and it's better for the common good. Another example is related to health insurance. It's about the collaboration between Vitality and John Hancock. So Vitality is a global wellness company, and this collaboration offer life insurance that rewards healthy behaviors. So there is a tracking system that generates points, and these points can be used in getting a discount for insurance premiums. Also, response is a factor based on good behavior like exercise, like healthy eating, like how much do you do preventative screening, do health checks, and it promotes wearables that can collect data about healthy lifestyle, about the lifestyle of the clients to generate insight about how healthy they are. To summarize, to summarize, in the future, these devices will be more smarter. It will be more accurate. They will be more easier to install. So innovation is continuing. It's not stopping. Innovation will generate new ideas, will generate new products, will generate new devices. It is uh, it is also important that to mention that by the development, the further development of these products, the Internet of Things in general, the insurance also will develop their offerings. So insurance will follow, or sometimes insurance may lead. So they may take into part the research and develop these devices, fund them, invest into startups that have an idea of creating such device. There is a responsibility for insurers to take proactive steps towards developing these products and developing the offerings that they do for their clients. And finally, I hope that this presentation helps to shed light on the importance of Internet of Things, help to shed light on how insurance can develop their products and also how they can help into developing new Internet of Things and be ahead of the curve. So it's a strategic thinking. You have to have strategic thinking about how you can lead the curve and be the first to be the first, and by doing so, you can be the leader. Thank you very much. Hope that you enjoyed the presentation. Be safe. God bless you all, and have a good day.